Can't go get the mosquitoes off me and talking at the same time. Hi guys. Huh?
Mosquitoes in the shop.
Yeah. So last day I lost my voice, and now it's getting back. We are location scouting in nowhere, somewhere in Bellwood, and get eaten by mosquitoes. But that's what a filmmaker has to do to make a film, go location scouting. And it's getting dark here. We are still on the trail. See, it's mosquitoes again. Yeah, that's the trail. Official trail to walk on here. Ah, go away! Ah. It sounds weird. What's that? Goose, okay. Starling, I lost you! So guys, I'm making right now a vlog while I'm in the woods eating by mosquitoes. Oh, location scouting here. I'm 1.5 weeks already in Canada. Wow, there's a lot of trash. Ugh, yuck. Looks like we're in Florida. Ah, it's terrible here. Ah. Just want to make a photo, that's it. Mosquitoes. They drive me crazy.